Attribution bias is the tendency to explain a person's behavior by referring to their character rather than any situational factor. Fundamental attribution error. It's when you think someone did something because of who they are, but really it was because of the situation they were in.
Emergency na naman?
Actor-observer bias is a cognitive bias in which individuals tend to explain their own actions due to external factors while attributing others' actions to internal factors. Self-serving bias is the tendency to attribute our successes to internal, personal factors and our failures to external, situational factors.
Aray naman, di ako tuminig sa pinadaan mo eh. Parang ka kasi. Ang parang naman ako galing ng babae. Kaya nga, ate